What would happen if you took that description of God? And he who was sitting was like a jasper stone and a sardis in appearance, and there was a rainbow around the throne like an emerald in appearance. And you ate that instead of lunch today. Or you ate that while you were eating lunch. You dreamed about this during your nap. Or you took the time to consider, to contemplate, to behold this image of the nature of God. And you didn't leave until you got something from Him. You understood something true and new and personal about the nature of God.